Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. I'm Chelsea, and today is the day. Friends, I have been waiting for years to record this video for you. It is our magic mail for Mamas and Minis subscription box launch video. So I have been watching YouTube for, I don't even know, decades I suppose, and I have watched influencers and YouTubers launch their products here on YouTube over and over again, and it always felt like I could never get to this place. And I am here to tell you that 1 week from today, our subscription box goes live for 7 days, meaning that the cart will be open and you can purchase our subscription box over the course of those 7 days. We're gonna get into all the details today, but I am just so excited. If you saw last week's video, which I will make sure gets linked above, Callie and I did a Disney style summer lookbook where so many of you asked about the t-shirt I currently have on. It says Mama of Magic, and the kitty one says Made with Magic. These are the Mama and Minnie matching t-shirts for the subscription box. The idea behind the Magic Mail subscription box is that we as Disney lovers cannot possibly be in the park as much as we want to be during the course of the year. So what better way to bring Disney park magic home than through some type of Disney inspired merchandise. Now the beauty of this merchandise is that it is handmade and custom made for you. So yours truly is coming up with the slogans, the design. I am creating the shirts myself. We are not really a one, we're a 2-woman operation here at the Magical Mail subscription box headquarters, aka the guest room in my home, aka our office, our little Disney office here. So I have the privilege of working with Courtney at Foster the Magic Co. These are her ears, and you have seen me talk about the beauty and precision of her work. I love her patterns for quite some time now, and she has custom designed exclusive ears to match these shirts for our Magic Mail subscription box. So the box in total is going to come with a mama size shirt, and of course you get to choose the sizes. They do run extra small to extra large. They're women's cuts. There's a size guide. All of that will be at the shop below. That's in the description box, the actual shop. However, it won't go live until a week from today. So all of that info will be in the description box. But you get a mama cut shirt, a Mama of Magic shirt, and you also get a children's tee that says Made with Magic. Now these have been created in neutral colors, so it doesn't matter if your little is made with magic as a boy, a girl, or otherwise. It does not matter gender for these particular shirts. These are super soft, they're pre-shrunk, they're very high quality, they're a tri-blend, and if you have more than one little, you can add on additional shirts in the shop. You are also going to get, in addition to your custom lovingly handmade shirts, 2 sets of custom ears. Now I'm going to include a photo of what the ears look like. Courtney allowed me to pick out like the fabric and the bow color, and they have this gorgeous blush pink bow, which I love because I don't have a blush pink bow in my collection of mini ears. And then the pattern itself is floral to go along with summer, and it picks up both the color hues of the navy and the mint. It is such a gorgeously stunning combination. And the last piece of the box is a craft for you to do as a mama with your little. Now, if you've been here for any amount of time at all, you know that Callie and I love crafting. We have an entire Facebook group called Magically Made, dedicated to live crafts on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The craft you will be receiving is a Disney-inspired summer craft. It's going to come with images, a set of directions. It's also going to come with like some starter prompt questions that you can ask your little as you guys are working together to help really lock in those Disney magical moment memories that you are creating from home. So all of that is coming to you in the subscription box. This is a quarterly box, so you will see a box come out in the summer. You'll see one come out for fall that's going to be Halloween inspired. You'll see one coming out for the winter season, which is obviously going to be holiday inspired because that is all of my favorite things combined into one magic mail. And then you'll see one come out for spring that's likely going to be floral, flower and garden themed. Now these are shirts that I am creating, and I am trying to come up with slogans that are not exclusive to Disney. So Mama of Magic, Made with Magic, it has a Disney-esque vibe to it, but you will see if you purchase this item, if you purchase the box, you will be receiving an exclusive video on how to style this t-shirt in 4 to 5 different ways so that you can wear it throughout the summer. Because the idea here is not to buy yet another piece of Disney merchandise to put it in the closet only for when you go on your trips. The goal is to wear everyday Disney-inspired some type of thing here, right? That's what we're all about, is a little magic in every day. And these shirts are designed to do just that. So that's a rundown of what you're going to get in the box, as well as some extra bonus features for the month of June. If you purchase for this box and this box only, you will also get our ultimate guide to Walt Disney World, which is an 11-page PDF bonus that you will get if you are on our wait list. So I'll link that below as well. But we have a waitlist for this subscription box. They've been receiving, our lovely waitlist subscribers, thank you. They've been receiving kind of behind the scenes sneak peeks at things. They've been able to vote on colors for what they wanted. I originally was going to do this in a navy and blush pink and then navy and mint. The color combination actually won the popular vote. So here we are in a navy and mint shirt. So they're getting behind the scenes, sneak peeks, discount codes. But if you are on the waitlist, you're also going to make sure that you will get the digital PDF version of our everything you need to know about taking a little to Disney. So it doesn't really expire, even if the Disney parks change, we update it. It's based on our personal experience and expertise. So that will come as a bonus item if you are on the wait list and then purchase the box. So the big question here, what does the box cost and where does it get shipped? Magic Mail is going to be a $75 subscription box. So it's $75 per box, and here's why. Well, one of the reasons is that we, Courtney and I, are making everything for you. So we are procuring all of the necessary items. We are handcrafting them. It is taking a very long time. It's taken us 18 months from let's figure out how we can do this to now to figuring out how we can do this to put it together. So it's taken a lot of hours. You're also getting in the box itself, that's included with the cost of shipping. So $75 is for everything. 2 custom t-shirts, 2 custom exclusive ears, a DIY craft that has been laid out for you, and my love. Oh, all the love. We are currently going to be shipping to the continental US. And if I can figure out how, or when I can figure out how to reasonably price shipping outside the continental US, we will. So I know that we have visitors here from different countries and we're working on it. Our digital products are available everywhere, but right now this physical product is only going to be available in the continental US for now. And if there is a large demand to have it be shipped elsewhere, you know what? We'll figure it out. But for now, first run, we're just here in the continental US. So mamas, that's everything. That's what you're getting in the box, what it looks like. The craft is going to be the surprise portion of this box. I do like to have a little bit of mystery, you know, as it comes to you. You will be able to purchase this box one time, and then hopefully for future rollouts, if you wanted to purchase a year's subscription, you can. But for now, we're just going to do one box at a time. Our next launch is looking like September. There is going to be a 2 to 3 week turnaround period once the cart closes, and that is simply because I then need to get to work making all of these garments for you, and Courtney will need to get to work making all of the gorgeous ears. So we do need a little bit of buffer time, which is why we have a 1 week cart open window. And I think that's everything. If you have additional questions that I have just somehow forgotten in the excitement of making this video, please post them in the comments below. I will be here. I will answer every single one. If I need to, I will do like a full FAQ separate video. But thank you so much for being here. Honestly, you are making my dreams come true. So I hope you and your family love this. The idea of building in family time that's all around Disney just warms the shackles of my heart, and I hope it's something that you and your family will enjoy as well. So we will see you in our next video, and you'll be hearing from me if you are on our email list. You'll definitely be hearing from me pretty consistently over the next week or so. And again, if you have questions, pop them below, let me know, and I will answer them for you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you so much. Sending all the magical pixie dust your way, and we'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.